The farmers there remain adamant even on the 21st day of their agitation. Protesting farmers' unions have rejected the centre's proposals. In their written response to the agricultural minister's offer, the farmers' organizations have said that they are rejecting the government's proposals and there's nothing new to offer. The government has nothing new to offer in those proposals and therefore they reject it. Farmers also urged the centre to stop discrediting their agitation and not to hold parallel interactions with other farmer unions. Remember, this comes at a time when the Bharatiya Kisan Union have called off their protests after meeting with Agricultural Minister Narendra Singh Tomar. Farmers who are still on protest vowed to intensify their stir by completely blocking Chilla border between Delhi and Noida. Farmers allege that the government has not been allowing farmers from different states to come into Delhi.
जो आंदोलन वापस लेना चाहते हैं वो असल में वो किसान यूनियन है ही नहीं है, किसान है ही नहीं है, वो इनके आपके बंदे हैं, सरकार के बंदे हैं। सरकार के इन्होंने अपने आदमी खड़े करके तो आंदोलन को कमजोर करना, आंदोलन को सट मारनी चाहते हैं। उनका वो आंदोलन को सट नहीं मार सकेंगे, आंदोलन को कोई सट नहीं मार सकेगा, आंदोलन कोई कमजोर नहीं होगा। वो उनकी साजिशें जो फेल होगी, जो पहले उन्होंने किया है वो भी फेल होगी, ये भी फेल होगी।
बात ये है क्या कि आप बात अब कर नहीं रहे हैं, लेकिन सरकार अब भी बात कर रही है। वहां पर भी कहा जाता है कि भारतीय किसान यूनियन से बात हो रही है। तो ये कितने भारतीय किसान यूनियन है, कहां बात हो रही है, क्या चल रहा है, इस पर क्या कहना?
जब तक ये सरकार बैन नहीं लगाएगी रजिस्ट्रेशन पे, कल कोई भारतीय जनता पार्टी का रजिस्ट्रेशन करवा ले तो इनको कैसा लगेगा? इन्हें जो धड़ाधड़ रजिस्ट्रेशन करवाए लोगों के, तो भुगतो उनको जितने करवा रखे।
आप यहाँ से वहां नहीं जा रहे, सरकार वहां से यहाँ नहीं आ रही, तो ये अब आगे कहाँ जा रहा है?
आगे तो कहीं नहीं जा रहे, सींग फंस गए। भाई कोई बीच में आ जाए, बीच वो चाहो करवा दे।
जो क्लोज वो चाहते हैं सरकार वो सब क्लोज बदलने के लिए तैयार हुई थी। ज्यादातर जो किसान की तरफ से बात आई थी कि इसमें किसान को समस्या है, उसके बाद इस बात का कोई अर्थ नहीं रहता। सारे क्लोज तो मान लिए थे, सारी बातें तो सरकार की, किसानों की सरकार ने मानी है। उसके बाद बिल वापस लो या ना लो, और अगर अब आगे भी कोई बात आती है, सभी बिलों में संशोधन हुए हैं, पहले भी जितने बिल आए हैं आज तक देश में, आंदोलन बहुत लंबा खिंच चुका है। अब बातचीत करनी चाहिए। इस जिद में न किसान का भला है न सरकार का भला है कि बिल वापस लीजिए, जब भी बात करेंगे।
Now remember, the union ministry have given out a few proposals to the farmers unions. Multiple talks have failed and eventually there were a set of proposals that were made to the farmers coming in from the centre. But farmers now, most of the farmer unions who are protesting have rejected it, saying that the government has nothing new to offer. The demands that the farmers are making is to quash the laws completely, because it's not one, it's not two. They have multiple, in fact several points within those laws that they reject, and they say that the government's proposal or the new offer to amend the laws has really nothing new to offer and therefore they're not going to abide by it. They also give out a warning of sorts, saying that the government is having multiple talks with other farm unions, trying to convince them independently, and that's not going to work. If that happens, they're going to intensify their stir. That's what the farmers are saying, and they also claim that many of the farmers who are trying to come in from many parts of the country are being stopped at the border points itself. They're not being allowed to join in the protests. This is the farmers' claims. Farmers there, even on 21st day of their protest, still adamant on their stand that they want the laws completely quashed. Abhishek Anand on that with us. Abhishek, here the farmers are saying that the government's proposals to amend the laws have nothing new to offer and therefore they want it completely quashed. Apart from that, they're also highlighting the fact that the government is trying to speak with other farmers' unions and try to settle with them. And at the same time, they say that several other farmers are trying to join in the protests. The borders have been locked. They're not being allowed to come in. And if this goes on, they're going to intensify their stir. That's the farmers' take.
Nabila, can you please repeat your question?
Right. What I did ask is the farmers saying that the government has nothing new to offer in the proposals and therefore they completely reject it. They're also highlighting that government is trying to speak with other farm unions and trying to convince them, while the actual farmers who are protesting on ground are still unsatisfied.
Well, yes, Nabila. See, there are there are many other farmer unions in other states, especially in Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Bihar and Jharkhand, who have extended their support to this bill, which these farmer unions who are protesting here have completely rejected, claiming that they are stooges of the government and they have no knowledge of this bill. The farmer union leaders claim that since this bill was introduced, when this bill was introduced, since then the adhatiyas of the mandis have dropped the prices. They are buying the farm produce at very less rates than prescribed by the government, the MSP. Now they are citing example of the mandis of Madhya Pradesh, where the business has shrunk to about 70%. The total yearly revenue, yearly business of the mandis of Madhya Pradesh was about 600 crores, and now the farmers are claiming that the business has shrunk to 280 crores. So the demand for fixing MSP is to ensure that if the adhatiyas at the mandis are doing the same thing, fearing that whatever they are doing till now will be hampered by private players, the farmers must not pay for whatever the damages, the financial damage the adhatiya will bear. And that is why these farmers are not dragging their feet, and they are saying that the government must roll back this bill, and this is their one final demand. And yes, more and more farmers, especially from Punjab, are joining the protest. Nabila.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.